it is one of the ISO certified company in Vadodara.
So because of such situation, we messed up and we also lost some clients. Client ने कोई task दिया हमको और एक आध दिन 2 दिन में हमको याद ही नहीं हुआ. Now that does not happen. There is no scope of it.
So now with this new system, how do you think that you can efficiently manage your client needs?
From the source of task origin till the task gets completed, we have a very detailed, very planned and very organized system.
So you are saying that even your client has the access to the system.
Exactly.
So this is amazing. Like till date, I have not seen anywhere that this kind of system is implemented in a digital marketing agency. Hi everyone, I am Shweta from Faculty of Management Studies MSU, and today I am here at, as you can see, Pringkit.in. Now, Pringkit is a digital marketing agency in Vadodara which was founded in 2018 by our very own Mr. Pringkit Patel. Now you guys might be wondering कि श्वेता management student होके Pringkit पे क्या कर रही है? Now first, let me tell you about Pringkit. Now Pringkit is known for providing exceptional service to its client to grow their business digitally. Not only that, recently it also acquired on Google as the highest marketing agency, and also it is one of the ISO certified company in Vadodara. So now I'm going to ask them a few questions. Now in management, every one of us are taught that management is both science and art. लेकिन जब हमको पढ़ाया जाता है, they always give us case studies of big MNCs, IT companies, FMCG, and they always teach us कि management के principle ये सब बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी में कैसे follow होते हैं. But I was very curious. Now being a digital marketing agency, it is a highly competitive and creative world. How do these agencies follow these principles? And that was the very same reason today I am here at Pringkit.in. So let's meet Pringkit Patel and find out that how was he able to get ISO certification even after being such a highly competitive, creative and digital marketing agency. So let's dive in.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So we have with us our very own Mr. Pringkit Patel.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
So how was your day?
Day is amazing. So happy to have you at our office today.
Yes. So as I just told everyone that I am very curious to know that how Pringkit was able to get ISO certification, and it is the very first agency in Vadodara to get this. Am I right?
Yes, exactly. So when it comes to a creative agency cannot go by general rules, regulations and management. So you have to follow deadlines and yet come with something creative. So getting ISO certification or getting organized is very challenging for a creative agency. Still we are having an approach with which we are making this happen.
Okay. So tell us one thing, how does Pringkit stand out from the other agencies in the market, or what is your uniqueness?
Okay. See, one very unique thing, when it comes to management, I want to share with you that when we started as an agency, to be honest, we also faced a lot of challenges. Like we committed something to a client. We told them कि हम महीने में आपका इतना काम करेंगे. We told them that we'll do this, we'll do that, and we could not fulfill that. You know the reason? Because at the end, in some hierarchy, you assign someone a creative task. वो कितने टाइम में कर पा रहा है, कितने टाइम में नहीं कर पा रहा है. That become a big challenge, and that is a challenge to every agency. So because of such situation, we messed up, and we also lost some clients.
Okay.
But the moment that started happening, we realized that while many agencies are okay with it, many organizations okay with, we want to expertise this art of management also along with creativity, and that is where we shifted towards a very unique system. So I would like to tell about it in detail, and in fact I am very excited to share.
Yeah, sure.
So see, every single task in our company is organized, is accountable. So see, from where does this task come? right? So some are commitments that we make, so some tasks are internal. At times client calls us कि ये करने का है. At times we receive an email, or at times we go to a meeting and then we brainstorm and come out with some actionable task. So from the source of task origin, from then till the task gets completed, we have a very detailed, very planned and very organized system. So earlier what used to happen was कि client ने call करके बोला कि ये काम कर दो, ये छोटी सी चीज मेरे को चाहिए, and then we could not even remember because we had a lot of clients, we were flooded with tasks. But now even if you give us a simple task, at times tasks are so silly that even clients forget, but because of our organized system, because of a very strong capturing, task gets captured and it passes through all the phases and it gets completed in a very organized way in a given deadline. So that is how it happens.
So, Prinkit sir, like in MBA, we are taught that customer is the king. Like you have to meet customer demands, you have to fulfill their needs, and as you clearly stated that your client is very important to you.
Exactly.
So now with this new system, how do you think that you can efficiently manage your client needs? How do you fulfill them at each and every step? So can you just show us that?
Yeah, definitely. So see, I want to start with this. This is a central system and this is a common dashboard of our entire organization. The very interesting thing that you can see is on one side these are names of our team members. Here the number of tasks that they have been assigned, and this is some brief of all the tasks. So at present, let us say Prinkit.in has 602 tasks that are active in the organization, right? This is priority. There are 44 tasks that are on urgent basis, we have to complete them. There are 64 tasks that have to be completed on high priority. So this dashboard gives us an overall idea that where Prinkit.in is currently standing at this moment, and this has been achieved. See, every single task is accountable. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कॉल किया तो see the biggest difference that Prinkit.in has from others is that every single task is in our task management system, and which is online and which is a software based. We have named this our system as Prinka. So the thing is, generally क्या होता है, अगर आप बोलोगे कि प्रिंकित मेरे को एक ईमेल ये भेज के दो तो मैं कहाँ लिखूंगा? या तो आई एम हाईली अनऑर्गेनाइज, तो मैं याद रखने का ट्राई करूंगा, या तो मैं मेरी नोटपैड में लिख लूंगा अगर मैं ऑर्गेनाइज हूं तो. बट वी गो इवन अ स्टेप बियॉन्ड. वी डू नॉट इवन राइट इट इन आवर नोटपैड. क्यों? क्योंकि नोटपैड तो सामने बोलेगा नहीं, इट इज अ वन वे कम्युनिकेशन. सो वी पुट इट डायरेक्टली ऑन दिस सिस्टम. आई विल शो यू हाउ आवर टीम मेंबर्स डू दैट, एंड दिस सिस्टम एंश्योर्स कि गिवन टाइम में वो टास्क हो जाए. ऐसा.
That's really interesting.
Yeah.
And because see, many a times we as students face this, because आज मैंने book पे कभी कुछ लिखा, now 2 दिन बाद either that book vanishes away, I am not getting the book and I just forget that task.
Yeah.
So I don't know, but you are doing it very efficiently because ये system से not just कि सिर्फ आपको पता चल रहा है, लेकिन आपके team members को भी पता चल रहा है कि क्या task है और कैसे करना है. So now tell us कि ये जो टास्क जो आपने बोला जो करने होते हैं, so who creates that? Is it your team members और client ही खुद बनाता है? How does it go?
So we have given multiple. I would like to show you one thing. So in our organization there is a dedicated department which is accounts team. So they take care of. So basically they act as bridge between client and our team. So अगर client है कोई भी, उनको कोई भी टास्क देना है तो दे आर असाइंड अ डेडिकेटेड अकाउंट मैनेजर. तो क्लाइंट उनको कॉल करेंगे या तो उनको ईमेल करेंगे या तो उस तरीके से दे असाइन द टास्क. फॉर एग्जांपल इशिता, शी इज वन ऑफ आवर अकाउंट मैनेजर्स. इनफैक्ट शी इज हेडिंग आवर अकाउंट्स टीम. सो यू सी देयर इज अ गाइडलाइन फॉर टास्क कैप्चरिंग. मतलब कि इफ यू रिसीव अ टास्क ऑन कॉल देयर आर 2 ऑप्शंस. आइदर यू कैन राइट इट इन नोटबुक बट शिफ्ट इन आवर सिस्टम ऑन द सेम डे, or you can directly shift it to our system. If you receive it on email, if you receive it on WhatsApp, or if you receive it in a meeting, then for every single way of task receiving, for every single source, we have a defined framework that अगर ये हुआ तो ये करने का, ये हुआ तो ये करने का. That is how all the task gets into our system. One another feature that we give is कि कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि क्लाइंट ने हमारे टीम मेंबर को कॉल किया बट दे आर इन हरी, या तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो टास्क वो लिखना रह गया या तो सिस्टम में डालना रह गया, तो वी इवन गो अ स्टेप बियॉन्ड एंड वी हैव मेड अ डेडिकेटेड पोर्टल फॉर आवर क्लाइंट कि वो खाली उनका ही होता है. फॉर एवरी क्लाइंट इट इज डेडिकेटेड सिस्टम. वो अगर उधर टाइप करके भेजेंगे तो दैट डायरेक्टली कम्स टू आवर सिस्टम. It even bypasses the account manager.
So you are saying that even your client has the access to the system.
Exactly. So मतलब आप क्लाइंट व्हाट्सएप पे लिखेगा कि मेरे को इसका पोस्टर बना के भेजो, they can directly, it is as easy as WhatsApp, ये डायरेक्टली उधर लिखेंगे and it directly comes to our system. It automatically ड्यू डेट उसमें सेट हो जाता है, ऑटोमेटिकली प्रायोरिटी सेट हो जाता है एंड ऑटोमेटिकली वो कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट को असाइन भी हो जाता है. So that is how the entire task flow is.
Yeah, so this is like very time efficient. इससे कितना time बचता है, man power भी also बचता है, and the best thing is it avoids miscommunication.
Exactly. And one thing that we learned, see now earlier we were also using these conventional things. तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि वर्कलोड ज़्यादा है और टीम छोटी है इसलिए हम काम नहीं कर पा रहे, कि फिर हम ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहे. बट नाउ बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन, तो क्या होता है कि वी कैन एक्चुअली सी कि कौन से टीम मेंबर पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोड है. तो वी कैन सी ओके यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोड है, दैट मीन्स ये टीम हमको बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. सो सच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल डिसीजंस कैन ऑल्सो बी मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस न्यूली डेवलप्ड सिस्टम.
So I had one more question कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्पेस इट इज़ वेरी डायनामिक. लाइक बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स उनको ऐसा होता है लाइक दिस डे वी वांट कि हमारा पोस्ट ये दिन पे ये टाइम पे ही जाना चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो इट कैन बी लाइक एक दिन ये चाहिए, 2 दिन बाद रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज हो जाती है. सो इट इज़ वेरी एफिशिएंट दैट यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट दिस नीड टू द टीम मेंबर और द एम्प्लॉय वॉट एवर द क्लाइंट एम्प्लॉय दैट client is adhering to. So how do you go on about this? मतलब what are the steps that you take so that this kind of miscommunication does not take place?
Okay, so see, like because marketing is a combination of science and art, as everyone has studied. So science can be completely organized, but art cannot be organized.
Exactly.
So there is a human touch to everything, and that is why we have a dedicated account manager. So what happens is कि account manager, they are assigned certain clients which are which is a less number. So they can be in touch with clients. मतलब if you want to reschedule something, if you want something on immediate basis, you just have to do is give a call to account manager कि यार सुनो यार अपने को ये आ गया है बट ये बोलना रह गया था तो जल्दी से कर दो. So then that is how there is a human touch कि हाँ यार ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम से जल्दी करेंगे बट इस बार we do it right now, and then that gets done. So that is why we have the system of accounts manager.
Okay.
ऐसे.
Okay.
And we also have one system called fast track task completion. मतलब कि जैसे वो फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट होता है कि बहुत भारी केस है तो सीधा ऊपर ले जाते हैं, वैसे अगर बहुत अर्जेंट टास्क है तो वी हैव अ डेडिकेटेड सिस्टम फॉर दैट कि वो तुरंत एड्रेस हो जाए. फिर वो हमारे बाकी जैसे अभी कंपनी में देयर आर 602 टास्क, तो फिर अगर कोई अर्जेंट टास्क है तो वो 603 नहीं बनेगा, दैट गोज टू अ फास्ट ट्रैक सिस्टम. तो तुरंत ही वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ऐसा.
सो देन जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं उनको भी नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत ही आ जाता है उस चीज.
एग्जैक्टली. सो इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन राइट नाउ देयर आर 44 टास्क इन फास्ट ट्रैक.
ओके.
मतलब ये 44 आर आवर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी ऐसा.
Okay, so this is amazing. Like till date, I have not seen anywhere that this kind of system is implemented in a digital marketing agency. So literally kudos to you. But I even had question like what all you said. That was what you do to achieve your clients' needs.
Exactly.
But on the other hand, like it is very important. कोई भी company हो, like कंपनीज के जो एम्प्लॉय होते हैं दे कैन मेक और ब्रेक द कंपनी, बिकॉज हमें भी ऐसा पढ़ाया जाता है बिकॉज कि इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हायर द राइट कैंडिडेट एंड ऑल्सो ट्रैक कि कितना एम्प्लॉय कितना काम कर रहा है, क्या काम कर रहा है. सो हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट दैट कि मतलब अब ठीक है योर क्लाइंट्स आर वेरी ह्यूज एज यू जस्ट सेड दैट कि नो डाउट बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर तो है बट इवन द वैल्यू योर क्लाइंट्स होल्ड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हाई. सो एम्प्लॉय की भी अकाउंटेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है इसमें. तो हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट इट? एम्प्लॉय को आप कैसे ट्रैक करते हो, क्या सब चीज़ें होती है?
So to be honest, with God's grace, we are very lucky that we have a fantastic team, and everyone cares for the task they are assigned. And in order to simplify their willingness to work for the company and take company ahead, like a portal like this, every individual team member in our organization has a dedicated access to this portal. जैसे कि for example, if we see Vidhi, please open this. See, now this is she's Vidhi and she's she is content creator. So there is a dedicated portal for her as well. So what she can do is she can complete all her tasks from here. So yeah, if you can show the number of tasks that you have. So let us say currently Vidhi has 4 tasks that needs to be done on immediate basis. And the interesting part is every individual has this system in their own this tool in their own systems. Now we also have a dedicated mobile application for this. So let us say if someone is working with Prinkit.in, they get a web portal, they get a desktop app, and they also get a mobile application. So agar for example let us say if a client is giving a task, so it goes to all these places. अभी मान लो आई एम वर्किंग फॉर Prinkit.in, तो मुझे कोई नया टास्क आएगा तो नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा, राइट? अगर वो टास्क ओवरड्यू होने वाला है, ओवरड्यू हुआ तो मुझे नोटिफिकेशन आएगा कि इसका डेडलाइन खत्म होने आया है, प्लीज स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट ऑन इमीडिएट बेसिस. सो दैट इज हाउ, सी टू बी ऑनेस्ट, यू कैन नॉट, you can buy hands but not heart, right?
Exactly.
So all I can do is help my team members to do their task in most efficient way by making a proper system. करना नहीं करना वो तो उनके ऊपर ही है, but because of God's grace we are lucky. But with such systems, even our team members can personally organize themselves very well. Now if you see a conventional company, तो क्या होता है कि मतलब इधर उधर ईमेल भेजे जाते हैं कि ये इधर से ईमेल आया, इधर से ईमेल आया.
जनरली सब ईमेल पे ही होता है.
हाँ.
इवन टिल डेट ऑल्सो एवरीथिंग
Yeah.
इधर ऑन ईमेल और व्हाइट बोर्ड.
Yeah, थोड़े अगर ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन they use Google Sheets and
Yes.
such. But compared to our approach, they are very old, very
Yes.
as in we feel like that is a 1920s wala technology. Here we do not use a single piece of paper throughout the day for delegation. Of course, creative poster बनाना है, we do the rough work, brainstorming. But for task delegation की ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक लीडर है और 4 जन नोट पकड़ के बैठे हैं कि हाँ ये कर लूँगा. वैसा आपको हमारे कंपनी में कहीं देखने ही नहीं मिलेगा. So if and the very interesting thing is every team member gets workspace points. मतलब कि जितने मान लो आज आपने 5 टास्क कंप्लीट किए तो आपको सर्टेन वर्कस्पेस पॉइंट मिलेंगे. आज आपने इतने नोटिफिकेशंस क्लियर किए तो आपको सर्टेन वर्कस्पेस पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. एंड दैट इज हाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो फील गेट द फीलिंग ऑफ अचीवमेंट, अ स्मॉल फीलिंग ऑन डेली बेसिस. सो दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स अ वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग फीलिंग.
सो वन मोर थिंग, आपने जैसे कि अभी बोला दैट एवरीथिंग की टीम मेंबर भी अपना काम घर पे लेके जा सकता है. लाइक इट इज़ वेरी एफिशिएंट बिकॉज लाइक जैसे मेनी अ टाइम्स वी हैव दिस मेंबर लाइक एम्प्लॉयज हैव दिस कि ठीक है अब घर पे गए सो नाउ वी डोंट वांट टू वर्क. बट एज यू सेड because of this technology they have everything is very organized. तो even employees know कि कहाँ पे कब कैसे चल रहा है. तो आई एम श्योर इस टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से Prinkit में एफिशिएंसी लेवल, प्रोडक्टिविटी लेवल भी काफ़ी मतलब उसमें चेंजेस आए होंगे. सो कैन यू जस्ट टेल अस कि हाउ मच टाइम इट हैज़ बिन सिंस दिस सिस्टम हैज़ बिन इम्प्लीमेंटेड और क्या क्या चेंजेस यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस एट अ पर्सनल लेवल एंड नॉट जस्ट यू, इवन द एम्प्लॉयज़ कि बीट कि उनका काम आसान हो गया, क्या क्या और बेनिफिट्स आए, क्लाइंट से कम्युनिकेशन में इजी हो गया, टीम मेंबर्स के कम्युनिकेशन में इजी हो गया. So
see, it's been like around so the implementation of this system started 10 months back.
Okay.
But it was a very big learning curve for all of us, wherein we evolved as an organization. We helped our team members to come on same page. So but if I say on full-fledged level, it has been implemented since past around 2.5 months.
Okay.
And there has been miraculous change in the way we all work. In the entire organization works from individual level to any level. So one change that we observed is productivity drastically increased. So it is like कि डेलीगेशन में भूल जाने में उसमें जो टाइम जाता है, जो एनर्जी वेस्ट होती है वो तो एलिमिनेट ही हो गई. क्योंकि एवरी मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू सी यू हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ टास्क दैट यू हैव टू डू अलोंग विद द डेडलाइंस. सो दैट इज़ वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. सो एवरी इंडिविजुअल उनका ये अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड जो वे ऑफ वर्किंग होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कि अचानक से टास्क आ गया, कोई देना भूल गया था और अभी ड्यू डेट आ गई, अभी इमीडिएट बेसिस पे करो, तो वो सब चीज़ें वेर बिकेम नेग्लिजिबल. पहले लेटेस्ट से 100 में से 50 टास्क वेर ऑन अर्जेंट बेसिस, अभी 100 में से देर आर 5 to 10 टास्क ओनली, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग टू रिड्यूस दैट टू 1 or 2. So that has been a big difference. Another difference is on organization level, that we are now able to keep accountability over everything. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको पता, मतलब मान लो कि इफ़ यू वांट टू सी कि कौन कितना एफिशिएंट है, कहाँ पे प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ सकता है, फिर कौन सी टीम छोटी पड़ रही है और काम ज़्यादा है, तो ये सारे डिसीजंस बिकेम पीस ऑफ केक, क्योंकि वी कैन सी पाई चार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग, राइट? And so that is how it became very organized. Organizational productivity increased, I would say, by at least 30%. And the best part, the goal of the entire thing, that client satisfaction increased. क्योंकि अभी कोई client कोई भी task देते हैं, so it happens. So there is no way it cannot happen. क्योंकि it comes to system and system ensures कि वो हो जाए.
And I'm sure इसकी वजह से the client task also would have been achieved faster. Like पहले अगर for example 5 महीने लगते होंगे, now it would be like within 2 or 3 months.
Exactly. So पहले क्या होता था कि हमको क्लाइंट को बोलना पड़ता था कि इसके लिए हमको 7 दिन लगेंगे, अभी 1 आध दिन में उनको मिल जाता है. या तो पहले लिटरली हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, विच इज़ अ वेरी शेमफुल थिंग, कि क्लाइंट ने कोई टास्क दिया हमको और 1 आध दिन 2 दिन में हमको याद ही नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि सी आई एम नॉट पर्सनली टेकिंग, हमारा जो टीम मेंबर है उन्होंने कहीं पे नोटबुक में लिख लिया या तो लिखा नहीं, एंड देन वो भूल गए, देन क्लाइंट जब पूछते हैं तो वापस वो लोग लेते हैं. तो दैट इज अ वेरी शेमफुल थिंग एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ दैट डज नॉट हैपन, देयर इज नो स्कोप ऑफ इट, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग गोज ऑन दिस सिस्टम, एंड देन वी कैन हैव एन अमेजिंग ट्रैक ऑफ इट, एंड वी कैन एग्जीक्यूट इट इन अ वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे. सो आई कैन ऑल्सो शो यू हाउ दिस how can you see the efficiency in terms of individuals. So see, there are different boards here. One is, let us say, graphics. See, now this is a board for our graphics. It is getting loaded right now. See, these are real time data, जैसे कि प्रायोरिटी ब्रेकडाउन, कितने टास्क अर्जेंट है उसका पाई चार्ट, कौन से डिजाइनर पे कितना लोड है, राइट? सो जैसे कि देयर इज 34% लोड ऑन नीरज भाई, देयर इज 35% ऑन राहुल, देयर इज 18% ऑन विकास भाई. सो वी कैन सी कि देन दिस इज रियल टाइम, राइट? अभी कुछ टास्क कम ज्यादा होगा तो भी इधर यू कैन
चेंज
सी
हो जाएगा.
इट इज वर्कलोड बाय स्टेटस, कि ग्राफिक्स में टू डू में कितने टास्क है, ग्राफिक्स में कितने टास्क की ब्रीफ दे दी गई है, कितने टास्क अप्रूव हो गए. सो एवरीथिंग इज सो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एंड यू कैन सी कि कितने असाइंड है, कितने टास्क कंपनी में नॉट असाइंड है, क्या रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है. सो एवरीथिंग कैन बी सीन फ्रॉम हियर, एंड वी हैव सिमिलर डैशबोर्ड्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ आवर डिपार्टमेंट्स. ऐसा
I would like to say, like, this is not just organized but also in-depth research.
Exactly.
Like for example, इससे हर एक छोटी चीज़ you can come to know. अभी मतलब for as you said सिर्फ 10% workload है, तो you can manage कि इन पे ज़्यादा है तो let's shift. तो this way even employee happiness can also be maintained.
Exactly. And see, there is a saying, and I strongly believe in it, that we believe in God. Everyone else must bring data. मतलब कि भगवान बोलेंगे तो मान लेंगे, बाकी कुछ मनाने के लिए डेटा लाओ. एंड दिस एक्ट्स एज भगवान फॉर मी, कि इफ यू वांट टू मेक, अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि बहुत वर्कलोड है, तो आई वोंट से वो ऐसा है कम कर देता है, आई विल से कि ओके सिस्टम में वो ऐसा है, ओके लेट अस रिड्यूस इट. सो द डिसीजन मेकिंग बिकम्स वेरी क्विक, एंड विच लीड्स टू अ वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अगर आप मुझे बोलो कि हमको ग्राफिक्स टीम में एक मेंबर बढ़ाना है, तो जनरल कंपनी में क्या होता है, अच्छा ऐसा है, हाँ ठीक है बढ़ाते हैं, फिर हफ्ते बाद वो देखेगा कि अच्छा हाँ यार 1-2 क्लाइंट नाराज हो गए, एंड देन दे विल पुट अ वैकेंसी. हमारे यहाँ पे उनको पूछना भी नहीं पड़ता, पता चल जाता है, क्योंकि मान लो कि ग्राफिक्स में ओवरड्यू ज़्यादा रहने लगा, तो विल सी कि टास्क ज़्यादा है कि प्रोडक्टिविटी कम है, एंड देन वी टेक अ सोल्यूशन इन अ डे ओनली. सो दैट इज वाई डिसीजन मेकिंग बिकम्स वेरी क्विक, लाइटनिंग क्विक. ऐसा.
So like in traditional companies we have departments like marketing हो गया, accounts, then HR. Like being in this highly creative space, like what are the main departments you have? Like you feel important कि हाँ ये departments है तो ये agency आगे चलेगी, और these are like जो generally जो companies में होते हैं वही होते हैं, और are there different departments that you have added or subtracted? How does it go?
So I don't know about others, but at Prinkit.in we wanted to give a one-stop digital solution. So in order to provide that, we have a graphics department wherein the creatives are made, wherein the video editing gets done, wherein the creative thing happens, visualization gets converted into some visual execution. Another is a content creation department, wherein content for social media postings, content calendars, content for blogs, content for websites, everything gets prepared. Another department that we have is client relationship or accounts department. So in that, that takes care of the communication between client and the team. Another is photography and documentation, wherein we shoot videos of clients, we collect photographs. So that also we provide in-house solution, so that client does not have to go here and there for this. And the very crucial department that we have is ads department, wherein there are sub departments of Facebook, Google. So that department dedicatedly takes care of ads only. And as a supporting department, we have functions which takes care of HR, which takes care of the office management. Sales is a department we have for client relationship building and onboarding new clients. And we have also have a facility for internships. So this is our organization structure, if I sum everything.
I had one question. Like, I could see small notes written everywhere.
Yeah.
So what, like, it is very attractive.
Yeah. So see, there is an interesting story behind it. A few days back, like it's been a month and a half, I went to Himachal for a tour. So there I had to go via Delhi, and there I spent a day traveling via metro.
Okay.
So that was so fascinating. Anyway, I had nothing to do, so I was sitting there and I was seeing that at Delhi metro, I was new there. I did not go to metro any time before. I had a lot of questions कि यार टोकन कहाँ से लेने का, कौन सी ट्रेन में किधर से जाने का, इधर से कैसा, कितनी देर में ट्रेन आती है. You won't believe, मैं जहाँ पे खड़ा होता हूँ वहाँ पे मेरे को जो भी क्वेश्चन होता है, लेट अस से अभी मुझे व्हेन आई एंटर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, तो मुझे एंट्रेंस में ही क्वेश्चन होगा कि मेरे को जाना किधर है, मेरे को टिकट कहाँ से लेनी है. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ अराउंड मी, आई सॉ अ पोस्टर ऑन वॉल सेइंग कि आर यू अ फर्स्ट टाइम विजिटर, फॉलो दिस ट्रैक. And I literally followed that red color track, and it led me towards a token counter, wherein they guided me and they gave me a token. अभी वहाँ से मेरे को ऐसा हुआ कि अभी मैं कौन सी ट्रेन पकड़ के जाऊँ, क्योंकि I only knew कि मुझे इधर जाना है. And then I saw around, and I saw an entire map which was very easy to understand कि okay आपको इधर से इधर जाना है, तो catch this yellow lane. And I followed the yellow track, and I went to, I literally reached the train. I just had to sit inside. अभी ट्रेन में बैठा तो again there were a lot of posters. So that gave me an idea कि यार systems बना दी, but when you follow it, then it is going to do the magic. And after I came back, then I took a small initiative, and that is how, let us say this poster, a very simple thing, but it says Prinkit.in task making checklist. So when you make a task, these are the mandatory things, right? One is कि due date होना चाहिए हर एक टास्क में, हर एक टास्क में असाइन होना चाहिए, प्रायोरिटी लेवल होना चाहिए, क्लाइंट नेम होना चाहिए, नेसेसरी डेटा और रेफरेंस कंटेंट. So everyone who makes a task, all he has to do is check this checklist, and it is anyway in front of their eyes. तो वो लोग टिक करेंगे, and then no one will miss it. Same way, there is one more interesting thing I want to show. जैसे like whenever we go home, so we have to press our thumbs here. So उसके ऊपर लिखा है an overdue task, मतलब कि
this is very smart.
Yeah, so now what that states is कि अगर if you are going, अगर आपका कोई overdue task रह गया है, of course you are connected with the organization, so you would not want that to happen. So this poster gives an idea कि अगर task overdue रह गया है तो क्या करने का. So there are two solutions mentioned here. One is quick solution कि भाई ऐसा करो, टीम के साथ शेयर करो, क्लाइंट को कन्वे करो. Another long term solution is also given कि where is the mistake within you, are you less organized or less productive, or in the organization कि organization overloads you or ऐसा, and come up with necessary solution. So it gives a detailed idea of that. So that is, we also have task due date guidelines. So there are a lot of small posters all around.
This is like a win-win for both the employee as well, because they then get to know, okay, this is an important task that I have to do, and even for the client as well, so that you don't miss out any important life. So this is very brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay, so now tell us something more about, like, how do you keep your employees motivated? Like, what are the fun activities? Like, it is like I can see it's nowhere a boring office. It's highly, casual and interactive. The atmosphere is very nice. But what are the different activities that you do over here?
So I receive this question a lot of times. The question is कि don't you think that when you have a very casual approach or when you know treat everyone like family, you end up losing clients कि मजा करने में client चले जाएंगे. So I always answer that see the feeling of family, the feeling of happiness is a function of well organized workplace. मतलब कि सोचो कि आपके सारे टास्क टाइम पे खत्म हो जा रहे हैं. अभी इफ़ यू सी इन अ कन्वेंशनल कंपनी तो क्या होता है, मान लो कंसिडर मी, अभी मैं आपके साथ यू नो वी आर हैविंग एन इंटरेक्शन. इमेजिन इफ इट वुड हैव बीन अ नॉर्मल यू नो वे ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. अगर मैं एक्सेल और पेपर से काम करता तो मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं होता. सो हियर एवरीवन नोज व्हाट दे हैव टू डू. सो वी नेवर डिस्कस इतना सारा अबाउट टास्क. सो इन लंच ब्रेक जनरल कंपनी में ऐसा होता है कि ये किया कि नहीं, वो किया कि नहीं. हमारे सबको पता है क्या करें, तो वी एंजॉय. एंड दैट इज वाई दिस फीलिंग ऑफ फैमिली इज देयर. दैट इज वाई दिस फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड यू नो कैजुअलिटी इज देयर. So and yeah, Prinkit.in is known for you know it's this very friendly approach and a very friendly environment. There are a lot of activities that we do on regular basis
Like
here.
just entering into the office gives you positive vibes.
True.
Yeah, the office जैसा नहीं लगता. You feel
Yeah.
you're like at a very good place. एक
Yeah.
मस्त ऐसे this thing, cute little things are hanging.
Yeah, and to be honest, you know, a lot of people say, even Dumpy says that we are an extremist organization. मतलब कि when we celebrate like we do not have any work to do. But when it comes to work, so then also you know we work very aggressively and we ensure that things get done on time.
So, according to you, management is how much important it is in an agency like or in a field like yours, which is highly creative. मतलब यूजुअली ऐसा मानना होता है लाइक क्रिएटिविटी में मैनेजमेंट डजेंट फिट बिकॉज यू हैव टू फॉलो प्रोसीजर्स, गाइडलाइंस एक्सेट्रा, एंड इन क्रिएटिविटी देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर दैट. सो लाइक what is your view? Is it important, it is not, or 50-50? How is it?
See, it is very important. In fact, see, you started a creative agency because you are creative, right? So creative to hoi, that is why you started this agency and that is why you are receiving client. But when you want to scale as an organization, let us say I am having 10 clients, so then if management is there or not won't make any difference.
Yeah.
But when I shift from 10 to 30, then I won't be able to do everything by my own. So if I want to scale my organization, then I'll have to have a very strong management. Unless I won't be able to scale. Client आएंगे जाएंगे और मेरे साथ में खाली एटलीस्ट 10 ही क्लाइंट बचेंगे जो मैं खुद संभाल पाऊँ. But because of strong management, any creative agency can scale itself very positively and very efficiently. Now what challenge happens is every individual wants to scale. So without management they take a lot of clients. And what happens is clients suffer, clients ka money gets wasted and the agency also you know suffers and the brand value degrades. So management is very crucial if you want to scale your organization. Right? And if you do not want to scale, then that's obviously not a challenge. But to scale, that is very important.
So thanks a lot, Prinkit Patel. Like literally you have you know given exposure to a new world no one would have ever imagined, because in this way also tasks or things can be implemented. This is a whole new entire different area that none of like we are not taught about this in colleges.
True.
Even for our case studies, it's all the traditional FMCG companies or the IT companies. No one goes into this digital space. So this is something different, that totally different that you are doing, and it was a great experience meeting you and getting to know so much about this.
So I am also very happy that you came. I got an opportunity to show off all that we do inside these four walls, and the questions that you asked also are very amazing and very you know revealing and eye opening. And I hope every agency gets to learn something from this and they also start implementing something similar.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.